Well guys, unfortunately we've lost the GoPro, which is a bit of a bugger because we went all the way up to Mitchell Falls and we filmed all of that and all of pretty much, well, the Gibb River until Pentecost River, and crossing the Pentecost River we stuck the GoPro on the side of the caravan and we had the drone up at the same time, which is nothing unusual, but we then used the drone to fly up the river a little bit to try and find our camp spot. Then the drone camera wasn't on us anymore, so we can't really see where the GoPro's fallen off. But we walked the track back and, well, we couldn't find anything. We even had the iPad trying to connect to it the whole way back and nothing at all. So not sure where it is, if anyone's got it, or I don't know if it's just run out of battery in that time that we walked back. Which is a bit of a bugger because I had all the footage on it, and like, I'm not worried about the GoPro, they're easy enough to come by. It was just the footage on that SD card, which is really painful, I guess. But it is what it is. I guess you gotta move on with that. And what you're seeing right now is just some bits that we managed to save you through the drone and through Soj filming. But it's I can't really apologise enough for, I don't know, not being more careful with the GoPro. But anyway, enjoy this footage and we'll crack on from the Pentecost River, I guess. We've picked up a GoPro Hero 9, I think it is, black, in Kununurra, and yeah, we proceed to get everything sorted there. And touch wood, this GoPro 9, it's miles better. There's no handling noises, there's no really wind noises, and no shakiness as well. So hopefully this is going to boost our, I guess, channel. So out of a bad thing comes one little good thing, hopefully. But anyway guys, I'm sorry, and let's crack on with this video, I guess. And this is our spot for tonight, right on the side of the Pentecost River. Got a nice little fire there, and we've just been doing some little maintenance bits on the side of the river here. Flushing out the water, getting all the dust out of it. Sosha's been cleaning the inside of the van, getting all the dust out of there. And yeah, it's just been a pain of a day. How's this bloody spot at the Pentecost River? Shooting all this on an iPhone now, so I don't know how, well, just as I was starting to get the audio right in the GoPro, I'll sort of start again on this one. But how's this little spot? Kipped up, got the car running just to charge the batteries up a little bit. We've had the water pumps on all day, but have a look at that. Absolute beautiful spot. Beautiful water too. We've pumped it up into the dual car. Had nice hot showers. Had to flush the tanks because all the dust. I don't know if I've said this, but yeah, we flushed the tank with the river water, and it's bloody beautiful now. Everything's just working good. Bit of a bummer for a day, but you get that. You just move on. But anyway, we're just going to sit back, kick back, have some loaded fries on the Weber, and chill out with the fire and watch this beautiful river. Well, we've beelined it pretty much to Kununurra, just to sort of, well, get a new GoPro and get a little base going here. We've parked up on the Ord River, which is, I've forgotten the name of the spot. Someone's crossing, I'll put it down below here. But it's a beautiful little spot, this one. But we're going to call this base for a couple of days, and just we had some little repairs, so I fixed that little light up, and I've glued the bloody leak we had in the washer bottle. It was in here for the headlight washers, so just glued that up. I'm going to sort of cable tie it up here somehow because it was rubbing on the bash plate. But put that together, and then I'm just going to check out Kununurra really, and then finish the Gibb River on Monday. I think we're going to head back to El Questro, hopefully when it's a bit quieter, because we pulled in there for fuel and it was just bloody flat out, people going everywhere. It was a pretty easy day for us yesterday. We sort of, well, chilled out a bit really. Did a little bit in town, did some washing, so we didn't really film that much, but no crocodiles either. Sat out here last night just for a little bit, shine the torch around, come out every now and then. No crocodiles, plenty of little mullet, but yeah, nothing yet. But we're gonna go for a little drive today and get a coffee, because I think all our bloody milk that we got in there, it's gone curdled somehow. 4 or 5 cartons of it, but they're only the $1.10 cheapies, long life. Anyway, let's go have a look around, and let me know how this GoPro goes as well, because it is the new one, the 9. It should get rid of a lot of that audio issues we were having. We've come about 20 minutes out of, well, maybe half an hour out of Kununurra to a little place called Cave Spring Range, and I think it's a little butterfly cave we're going to check out. But the road into here was pretty average. It's pretty tight, scratched pretty much all the side of the car, but anyway, you get over that. A little turnaround in here, and how's that for a range? Beautiful rocks, beautiful bow as well. But apparently there's butterflies, bats, frogs and snakes in there, so we'll go check it out. I can already hear the bats going off in there.
There's not. I'd be pretty disappointed. There's a picture.
We found the little pool out the front, and there's a couple of butterflies here, nothing special yet. But it's a nice little pool. There's a little flowing water there. Don't know if it shows up on camera there. But a beautiful little pool this. And I guess we'll head in to there. Well, once you step up close to the cave, there's butterflies everywhere.
Oh, that is amazing.
What do you reckon?
Oh my god. That is insane, isn't it? Oh.
There'd be millions of butterflies in here. There's absolutely millions of these butterflies all around here. They must just love this little climate, or the little area, but loads of little cracks in the rocks with all this water coming out, which is really cool. But let's try and head into this cave.
There's another way.
Well, you can't really see much in that cave there. It's a bit of a bugger. There's a couple of bats in there, nothing special. And it's the majority of the butterflies are on the outside here. But it's a bloody good spot, this one. Really nice spot. So that's a bloody awesome little spot, this one. If you ever get to Kununurra here, check it out, because there's absolutely no one here. And it's just such an awesome little spot. About half an hour out of town, and yeah, no one here at all, just us. We've just got back from town and we thought we're going to grab the Weber and some little chicken wings that we got from IGA. They're like frozen wings. Chicken wing nibbles. I don't know, $10 or something. And some like lamb ribs, which were bloody cheap, like $5, not even that. Which you can't go wrong with an IGA. They've got cheap meat, which is really good. But we're going to head up to, Sochi's found a little, like a hill that you get a really good sunset on. So we're going to head up there, have a little barbecue up there and watch the sunset, have a couple of drinks. So change of plan. We wanted to catch the sunset, but the bloody hill we were going to go up, what's this called? Something knob?
Kelly's Knob.
Kelly's Knob. It's bloody useless. It's all locked off. You can't drive up the top and sort of sit there and watch it. It's a walking trail. So we've come to the Ord River Dam, and even the lookout up there is pretty average. So we've had to just come to the other side and I guess sort of wing it at the Lions Park. Little bench, a couple of benches here under this, and we can watch a bit of the sunset. But made something of it. We got the Weber on. We run out of room on the Weber because the bloody chicken defrosted a bit. So we've got the chicken wings on there. A little pinwheel Soch picked up for barely anything. But I think the ribs are going to be tomorrow night. Don't know how we're going to do that. Lunch, tomorrow lunch, ribs. Well, the sun's gone down, but behind us, check that out. Bloody beautiful. You got the dam noise in the background, which is pretty out there. There's a big boab here. But the pinwheel hasn't gone that good. I mean, Soch, what happened to your pinwheel?
Oh, disaster. Stuck.
Disaster, yeah, she stuck to the grill. But anyway, we just sort of chucked it in a pile there and gonna hope for the best. It's abandoned ship. As soon as that sun went down, the mosquitoes come out in force, like usual. But how's the chicken?
Good.
Yeah, they're good little chicken wings. I think we paid 11 or $12 or something for them, but they're really good. So we're gonna, I don't know, I guess go for a drive, have a look around and try and enjoy these wings. But a bit of a failure tonight. Anyway, we've got some good food though. Still nothing this morning. And I mean, I bloody walked a mile up there. Still no crocodiles. Which is a real bugger, because on that wiki camps it says there's loads of them. I don't know if I'm just blind or not, but well, hopefully today we'll see one, because we're going to go for a drive to a little place called Spring Creek, which is sort of over the back here. Hidden little spot, and check out the next couple of camps along as well, see if we can see some crocs in there. But it's Sunday, so we're gonna have a roast as well. Got some beef cheeks we picked up pretty cheap, and yeah, so we get back early, put a roast on, just kick back I guess, have a fire by the river. Well, we got warned by a mate from here that it had locks of rocks. Not lots, locks.
No, that's
But yeah, lots of rocks and some big river crossings, which he's warned us about as well. Here on halfway up the door. We'll try and film that on the way back. And we're not the only ones here. So we got beaten by someone, but still should be good. Let's check it out. Well, we made it. And how good is this little spot? This is just bloody awesome, this place. Not a big pool. It's only, oh, I don't know how big it'll be, but it's a bloody beautiful pool. Crystal clear. Little waterfall. Just a wicked little spot. Bought my snorkel and goggle as well, so I'm going to jump in there and have a look under there, I guess. and bring the GoPro now because it's fully waterproof and working. Try not to lose it. Check it out. Bloody beautiful. You can't get much better than this. Well, we just got back about half an hour ago, and got a bit of firewood there collected for tonight. But yeah, Sunday, so we got we're gonna have a little sort of roast sort of thing. We got beef cheeks here, cheap as chips. Coles, we got them, I think. Yeah, Coles Australian beef cheeks, $1.60, $1.26. Yeah. So we're going to chuck them on there, try and follow a Weber recipe of beef cheeks. We've got no bloody red wine, so we're just going to, I don't know, wing it with something. Says you don't need it in there, but with beef cheeks you always have red wine, I think. But anyway, once they're on, I think we're going to spend the rest of the day just try and clean the car up, because we've got the water so close to us, and clean the caravan up. Just give it a scrub down, and then put the fire on. Nice, relaxing, easy night. Well, we just chucked the beef cheeks in after, I don't know, fluffing around a bit with the recipe. But we've mainly followed the recipe that come with it on the back, and one that we just found on Google. But she's on there now, low and slow. Come back in a couple of hours, I guess, and give it a poke, see what happens. In the meantime, we'll try and wash this car off and cut some of that firewood up. Try and fill our bag up. Well, pretty much done here. Hopefully all that firewood's going to fit in the bag on the back of the bus there, but got all this for burning tonight. We're bloody done. Washed the car, roast on, and firewood's chopped up, so it's beer o'clock. Well, there it is. Sophie's got the pretty one, but I mean, you can cut it with a spoon, so I guess I'm pretty happy with that. That'll do. I pick it up. It's an absolute ripper. Compared to last night, tonight's just bloody stunning. Bloody beautiful night. A couple of water birds flying around there. But yeah, beautiful little spot. Anyway, that's gonna bloody do us. Rip a little spot here in Kununurra. Yeah. Beautiful spot. Fair few people come in now. There's a couple of fires I can see around here, but that's going to do us until well, I guess tomorrow for me, but the next episode for you guys, it's going to be El Questro. We're going to head back in there and finish off the Gibb River with a GoPro. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.